Okay, this tutorial is going to be just a quick overview of this OPI-RTI website that is just a data portal on how to access some of the resources that you have available to you. So one quick way to get to this website is using a URL shortener called bit.ly. So if you just go to your URL and type in bit.ly / then all capitals OPI-RTI, it should take you right to that website without having to remember all of that. So that's a quick shortcut. This page is the home page that you land on, and it has contact information for Amy as well as Cass. And if you have any issues with this site, you're welcome to email me, and just click on that down there. It'll send us email straight to my email. Across the top are some tabs on how to access the different parts of data. Tutorials, I'm building that right now, and so there's not a whole lot there yet, but when you click on that, it'll have a list of some embedded videos for how to do some of the things that I'm going to be reviewing with you this weekend or this week. The first tab is the Summaries tab. If you just click on the Summaries tab itself, it takes you to a page that has the subpages. You could also just click on those directly from here from the drop-down list. And what these are what's called, for a Google form, the summary of responses. Now, I don't know that this is beneficial for you because it's actually showing the total number of responses for the whole form, for the elementary form, for both last year and this year. So that data is there, although I don't know that it's useful. It's not really breaking it down by year or anything. It does show the different regions, how they've responded, but again, this is last year and this year. And that's the same for the middle school. If you were to click there, it would show you that data as well. The full data tab is the next one over, and again, if you just click on the tab itself, it opens up this page, and that shows you a couple embedded graphs that have the implementation level by region for both the middle school and elementary school. Elementary here, middle school here. You can also get to the sub-tabs from that page, but they are also available from just hovering over here. And the full data, for example, if I were to go to elementary, it will load, and notice that it does take a few seconds for the pages to load because these are live pages coming in with actual data. So if data gets changed, it gets changed on this page automatically. This is just an embedded version of the complete data collection survey where everyone's data came in. So across the top it's got the tabs you can look at. I would not recommend using this as your main way of looking at the data. Okay, but I'll show you other versions as well. So this just shows all of it in there. It's an embedded sheet inside of a sheet, so sometimes you have to scroll down within that sheet to see all of the schools listed, but this is all forms submitted, full data for both elementary and middle school. The next one over shows you by region, so you could actually click on the tab itself and then it breaks it down and gives you the elementary, different regions, and middle school, or you could go directly to those by just clicking on, let's go to middle school this time, the middle school region. And then it breaks it down again, gives you those same things, middle school regions 1, 2, 3, 4, let's go to region 5. And that just shows you, again, you could switch from region to region using this page over here, and this is all the spreadsheet with the data filtered for just that specific region. Notice it opens it up in default view on the question analysis, but down at the bottom you can switch that back and take a look just at the responses as well as the pivot table information, and I will be reviewing that more in future tutorials. The other tab is Live Forms. Live Forms takes you to where you can link to the actual form where the schools input the data. It's just here for reference. It's not really something that you need to use. Here's your CSPD map is there as well. And that is kind of the overview of what's on this page and how it works. It does have a search feature in it, so if you're looking for something specific, you can do a search, but there's not too many pages in there. The intent of this site is just to kind of put everything together in one place for easy reference and viewing. And this is intended to be used by the RTI implementation regional coordinator folks. So the future videos will show you a little bit more, and